Why should tax, retirement, and estate planning be important to clients?
Clients have a different set of concerns now than they did before. They're being bombarded by all kinds of data, information, and they're recognizing there's probably more things they need to learn that could result in a negative tax situation and could impact their estate assets. Most Canadians want to make sure they optimize every dollar they spend and every dollar they invest for the best outcome possible. In this way, the Empire Life Tax and Estate Planning team directly helps Canadians navigate life with confidence. Estate planning is all about transferring your assets to whom you want with as little hassle and as little tax as possible. We are here to work with insurance professionals, their clients, and their other advisors to achieve that goal. I pride myself on being able to speak 3 languages: insurance, English, and tax. And I freely translate amongst them to ensure that everyone at the table is on the same page and understand what is the right plan for the client.
What is different about the Empire Life Tax, Retirement, and Estate Planning team from others?
The tax, retirement, and estate planning team have a formal arrangement with our underwriting team to review and consult on all cases of $10,000 of annual premium or more. Our team will arrange for a free consultation with the client and their lawyer and accountant if desired. Most other carriers don't offer these value-added services at just $10,000 of premium. Our large case priority service also includes access to dedicated senior underwriters and a specialized new business team, ensuring expedited processing and personalized support.
How do clients benefit from the Empire Life Large Case Priority Service?
The goal of the service is to provide clients with a seamless experience, ensuring they get covered sooner by streamlining the entire process and expediting requirements and processing. By having a dedicated team focused on the case, it gets priority treatment for processing the application as quickly as possible. And of course, they end up with the best solution possible in their circumstance.
How have you helped advisors and their clients in the past?
Taking the complex and making it understandable to clients while providing tax, estate, and insurance professionals with the sufficient level of detail and information that they require is something in which I take a ton of pride. I can think of an example in my recent past where the client was considering corporate-owned insurance for estate planning, but their accountant had little experience with it. And he was hesitant to provide support. I showed the accountant the relevant sections of the Income Tax Act and was able to allow him to draw his own conclusion about the tax benefits of the plan by providing the technical support that he needed. In medical terms, it's akin to a family doctor referring a case to a specialist. I took a non-threatening approach and provided specific, customized, specialized knowledge that was appreciated by both the advisor and the accountant. And ultimately, the client implemented a winning plan that would save tax while alive and even more when she passes to benefit her son.
What distinguishes you from other tax, retirement, and estate planning specialists?
I think that one of the biggest differences in working with me is perspective. Not only do I have 25 years of experience, many of them working for insurers, but I've been a licensed insurance advisor. I understand the process of selling a policy from prospecting to closing and ongoing service and support. I bring that experience to every single case consultation.
How can an advisor request a case consultation?
I encourage you to always reach out to our sales team, whether that's your inside salesperson or your account executive, and they'll initiate the process. In addition, if you are working on an illustration in our eVision Insurance Illustrator and the annual premium exceeds $10,000, a pop-up will appear on your screen indicating you're eligible for a free tax, retirement, and estate planning consultation. Simply click the link to start the process. We look forward to working with you on your next large case.